Okay, an update on the Homopolar Motor. As you can see, I've made one of the 3 coils. Before I go any further on this, since I started making it, I've been a little bit apprehensive about whether it would be stable with the coils on it, so I'm going to give it a try before I go any further and make more coils. I do have a second coil over there. It's only got about 200 winds on it. They're both air coils at the moment, so it's a Hall sensor circuit, so it should self-start. By the way, at the moment I've got magnets on order. What I'm using is these wafer magnets. It's about 12 millimeters by 1.5 millimeter. That's what I'm using for the whole thing. There's 5 on the top and 3 on the bottom, and there's another 3 down under there above the screw. And that's also what I've got on the rotor here. I've got one of these wafer magnets on each point. So without more ado, let's hook up the power and see what happens. As you can see, it self-starts. That's sweet. Ooh, it's looking a bit rocky there. Let's see how we go. By the way, I'm on a 9-volt power supply, 9 volt by 700 milliamps, I think it is. They're both air core coils. Oh, look at that. It's fed up nicely. It's starting to stabilize a little bit. I haven't finished balancing the rotor yet, so bound to be a few wobbles. I'm waiting for the magnets. No, it's pretty stable, so I'm really happy with that. I'll go ahead and make the rest of the coils and start thinking about a stator for it. There's some really good RPM coming out of that, so, and it's quite good torque as well. I mean, I'm touching that pretty hard. It's slowing down now though. But considering that's floating in midair there just with magnets, and that's spinning at that speed on the point of a screw, I'm really happy with this. One of my friends asked me why I didn't use bearings, and the bearings are boring. This is more interesting. And this is kind of crazy. I'm really happy with this, so I'm going to keep going and see where it goes. Okay, that's my update. Thank you very much. I'll make the rest of the coils and see what happens.